Hello students, welcome to your camp. Do you know why a plus b whole square equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab? No? Then don't worry, let's solve. Draw a circle and divide it so that we get four different parts. Each side will contain a part and b, and the other side will also have a part with a's label and b. If we separate these four squares, we will get two rectangles of equal length, and that will be equals, the area will be equals to a cross b. And as we have two rectangular same boxes, then we will get 2ab. The smaller box have an area a square, and the larger box have an area b square. If we add these three terms, that is a square plus b square plus 2ab, we will get our required answer. That's why we get a plus b whole square equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Thank you for watching. Press hit like button if you like this video. Thank you.